Suppose you were to win the $300,000. Let the world know what you would do with your cash.
Well, if me get the money, or when me get the money, I should say, because you have to speak it into being, don't. When I get the money, first me have to go thank God for life, because without life you don't have the opportunity and all the strength, don't. Secondly, me have to thank 100% talent, I should say, for the opportunity, because they don't really have much opportunity like this where people can show kids their talent and show what they're really capable of. So, and you know, for all of the fans and all the people that want to vote for me, you know, so me have to thank on the same way, because without one there's no baby blue. So everybody big up on yourself, you know, and thanks to come out. I remember for vote for me, because I'm hungry just like
Unstoppable.
Now, Baby Blue didn't tell us one thing that she would do with the money, but you don't have to talk your business. We realize you don't want to chat your business. It's okay. But she has the talent. She have showcased the talent week on, week on, week on. Ensure you show her your support by voting for her. The votes will give you an opportunity to win a flat screen television. So she will approach you on the mall. She will approach you in her community. She will approach you in her workplace. Support Baby Blue for 100% talent Jamaica champion.
Unstoppable.